Have you been searching for a server rack that actually lives up to the hype? Something built to last, performs flawlessly, and truly gives you value for every dollar spent? Well, you're in the right place. Welcome to Review the Best Buy, where we dig deep into real product performance so you can make smarter and more confident choices. In today's countdown, I'll be showcasing the top 5 best server rack you can get right now, comparing their features, build quality, ease of use, and genuine pros and cons that most reviews never tell you. Whether you're watching from anywhere across the world, this review is made to help you find the one that perfectly fits your needs and budget. So stay tuned till the very end because our number one pick might just surprise you. And as always, all the latest prices and official links are waiting for you down below in the description box. Now let's jump straight into the list and find out which one truly deserves to be called the best buy. Starting off our list strong, at number 5, we've got a product that perfectly blends quality with affordability. Number 5. AxcessAbles 12U Steel Open Frame Rack for home studio and network gear with caster wheels for easy mobility. At number 5, let's find out why it's becoming a favorite among smart shoppers. The AxcessAbles 12U AV rack stand is the perfect solution for organizing and securing your professional audio, video, IT, and network equipment. Built to support up to 550 pounds, this heavy-duty rack is ideal for use with mixers, routers, patch panels, servers, power amps, and other AV components. Its robust steel frame, made from 1.5 mm thick steel, ensures durability and long-term reliability, while reducing vibrations to protect your valuable gear. The rack's open frame design allows for easy access to your equipment, and the removable side panels provide added flexibility when adjusting or maintaining your setup. The pre-installed 3-inch industrial-grade caster wheels make the rack mobile and lockable, allowing you to move it into the perfect position and secure it in place when needed. Whether you're working in a studio, at home, or on a DJ setup, this 12U rack is designed to fit your needs. With a complete setup kit that includes rack screws, a blank spacer, and an assembly tool, the AxcessAbles rack is ready for fast installation and hassle-free use. Perfect for anyone needing sturdy, portable, and secure equipment storage. Moving on to number 4, this one brings some real innovation to the table. Number 4. Tartec.com 4-post 42U rolling network rack for IT equipment with rolling casters for easy mobility. Coming in at number 4, we have a solid performer that delivers beyond expectations. The StarTech.com 4-post 42U mobile open frame server rack is the ultimate solution for professionals needing a durable and flexible server rack for their IT and network equipment. Designed with adjustable depth ranging from 22 to 40 inches, this versatile rack can accommodate a wide range of servers, switches, and AV equipment, making it ideal for data centers, offices, and server rooms. Built from durable cold-rolled steel, the rack features a sturdy 42U mounting height and supports up to 1,320 pounds of weight when stationary, ensuring long-lasting performance. The mobile design with casters allows for easy relocation, while the optional leveling feet or base plate provides stable floor mounting if needed. With clear unit markings and depth adjustment options, this rack makes installation and organization simple. Comes with all the necessary hardware, including cage nuts, screws, and cable management hooks for a tidy setup. The StarTech.com server rack is easy to assemble with step-by-step instructions and a helpful online video. Backed by a 2-year warranty and free lifetime technical support, this professional-grade rack is built for reliability and efficiency, making it a smart choice for any IT professional looking to streamline their server setup. Now, stepping into the top 3, things are getting even more interesting. Number 3. NavePoint 22U Wall Mount Enclosure Server Cabinet with caster wheels and 2 fans for locking glass door. At number 3, it's striking the perfect balance between style, performance, and price. The NavePoint 22U Server Cabinet Wall Mount Rack Enclosure is a versatile and durable solution for housing network and server equipment in both professional and home office settings. Crafted from high-quality cold-rolled steel with a protective black powder coating, this robust rack supports up to 130 pounds, providing a reliable home for your valuable gear. Offering flexibility, it can be mounted on the wall or used as a freestanding unit, making it adaptable to various installation needs. 22U rack provides ample space for a wide range of IT and A/V equipment, while its 600mm depth accommodates servers and switches of different sizes. Enhanced with built-in fans and flow-through ventilation, this cabinet ensures your equipment stays cool and operates efficiently. The lockable tempered glass front door provides both security and visibility, allowing easy monitoring of your gear. Easy to customize with removable locking side panels and a reversible door, this rack is user-friendly and simple to assemble. Featuring convenient caster wheels for mobility, the NavePoint 22U cabinet is a perfect blend of safety, functionality, and performance, making it an ideal choice for long-term projects and secure installations. We're almost at the top, and this next one could easily have been number 1 for many users. Number 2. Tecmojo 12U Wall Mount Server Cabinet with cooling side panels for secure access lockable glass door. Taking the runner-up spot at number 2, it stands out for its premium build and next-level reliability. Maximize your space and secure your equipment with the Tecmojo 12U Wall Mount Server Cabinet, an ideal solution for organizing and protecting your IT network and server equipment. Crafted from high-quality cold-rolled steel, this durable and compact rack enclosure is built to withstand heavy use, supporting up to 110 pounds of equipment. Its lockable glass door and side panels offer peace of mind, ensuring that your valuable gear is protected from unauthorized access, while the front door is designed to be installed on either side for flexible door swing orientation. With a maximum mounting depth of 14.2 inches, the cabinet accommodates various devices with ease. Fully adjustable mounting rails and numbered U positions make equipment setup and configuration quick and simple, and the square holes allow for effortless installation. Top and bottom punch-out panels provide convenient cable access, keeping your workspace tidy. Whether you're looking to organize a small office or manage critical network equipment, the Tecmojo Wall Mount Server Cabinet offers a secure, space-saving, and durable solution, compliant with PCI, HIPAA, and EIA or ECA 310E standards. Easy to assemble and versatile, this cabinet is an essential addition to any tech setup. And finally, the moment you've been waiting for. The absolute best among all. Number 1. Vivo 25U Freestanding Adjustable Server Rack Cart with wheels and open frame design for network equipment. At number 1, the crown goes to unmatched in performance, value, and user satisfaction. Organize and protect your networking equipment with the Vivo 25U Freestanding Server Rack, a heavy-duty open frame solution designed for flexibility, airflow, and ease of use. Built with solid steel construction, this rack supports up to 1,200 pounds, making it ideal for servers, UPS units, patch panels, switches, and AV gear. Its adjustable depth from 22 to 40 inches with precise 1-inch increments ensures compatibility with a wide range of equipment, giving you the freedom to tailor the setup to your exact needs. The open frame design not only makes installation and access simple but also maximizes ventilation to keep your hardware cool and running efficiently, extending the life of your valuable investments. For mobility, the rack includes 4 durable caster wheels that glide smoothly across different floor types, while optional leveling feet allow you to lock it securely in place when needed. With a height of 51 inches and a streamlined frame, it fits neatly into server rooms, utility closets, or office spaces. Easy to assemble with all hardware and clear instructions provided, the Vivo 25U server rack offers a reliable, versatile, and professional storage solution for businesses and tech enthusiasts alike. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best products you can check out right now. I hope this video helps you get a clearer idea of which option truly delivers the best value for your needs and budget. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more top 5 reviews, detailed comparisons, and practical buying guides every single week. And of course, turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our upcoming videos featuring the latest and most trusted products across tech, home, and lifestyle. All the official links and updated prices are available in the description box below, so make sure to check them out if you're ready to upgrade your next purchase. Thanks a lot for watching. Review the Best Buy, and I'll see you in the next one where we help you buy smart and live better.